Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70, we have an undercarriage skirt that I got at 1A Auto. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line it right up. It's got pre-molded, so it's cut out right to fit exact. There's 7 bolts. Put the center one in the front. I'll grab one right in the center out back here. Nice. Put the back 2 in. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts total. Last one. All right, let's tighten them up. And the last one. Nice. Pretty good fit.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.